Hey, good morning everybody, this is Cliff with Pen Flamingo Power Wash. Back with another video for you guys. Today I'm working in Newport Richey, Florida. I'm here for a returning customer that I'm gonna be cleaning the driveway for. Driveway's pretty dirty. Last time I was here, I did her pool deck and the cage, but I had her in a reminder to come back to do these driveway, the sidewalks. She got a long walkway that goes to the back. I got a couple of jobs on the schedule. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna show y'all what we got going on right here. So the driveway here is pretty dirty, and she got this long walkway that leads to the back where the pool deck is, and we're gonna be doing the sidewalks. Pretty long sidewalk, and also up here we're gonna be doing this entrance. I got my buffer tank filling up right now. Get me a head start on that water, because that 8 GPM sucks it up pretty good. All right, man, let's get to work. So the last time whoever was here, I can tell they used the wand to do it. A bunch of little stripes. Look over here. It started going this way, then it started going that way. All over the place, man. So the customer was trying to tell me, hey, the last guy did this for $100.
Not the day.
Y'all, we all done with the project here. As you can tell behind me, I got some post treatment on the concrete just to brighten it up a little bit. Driveway is cleaned up, post treated also. Sidewalks all cleaned up. Check out the entrance. Yes, sir. All right, we're gonna pack it up and head to the next job. All right, guys, we're at the second job for the day. Right now, we're in Citrus Park, Florida. We're here for a customer that I clean up their property every 6 months. I got them on a recurring schedule. As you can tell, the driveway is not even dirty. Got little spots over here on this end over here. That's not really that bad. Got some trees over here, so the sidewalks got some algae on it. And also over here. I'm taking you guys around the back. I'll be doing the walk, the lanai and the deck. It's not really bad at all, really, to tell the truth. Usually this area right here is where the water settles, but it's still looking clean. The cage itself is not bad, so we'll just touch it up with a 1% mix. Got some stuff on the screens right there. I can get that off. Wow. Got some weeds going on in the cracks. Nothing crazy. Well, that's what happens when you do a good job. All right, man, I'm gonna go ahead and knock out the front, the driveway, and then soft wash this area in the back. Alright, we're moving on to the back. We're gonna knock out this pool deck. Just gonna hit a little pre-treatment. I got it set on like 2%. Nothing crazy, just to get this, whatever layers on top. Don't even have to flood it, because like I said, this area right here is their low spot. So it holds a lot of water right here in this area. This customer here is very particular, so although the screen is not dirty, I know little areas like on the edge or the edges of the cage, they're gonna see stuff like that, so just gonna touch it up. After looking around, I see there are some algae on this cage. Might not be algae, it might just be dirt, but I can see stuff here all on top of here. So we're gonna go ahead and clean that up. I'm gonna get my hose, my pressure hose, water down these plants right here, so we don't kill anything. Because all this right here, all that right there, especially the wife is gonna see it. You guys know, gotta please the wife. If the wife is happy, we good to go. Remember I told you guys, If you're gonna do these, make sure you do them in the sequence, so you don't miss any sides. So whichever pattern you're gonna use, just stick with it. You can do one square at a time, or you can go straight down and hit all these going down, and then you can come back this way, hit everything coming back down, you know, all the way. You can do it from this side, the middle, and the far end. Or if you're gonna walk this way, do everything this way, and then turn around, come back this way. All right, so we got the cage treated, all the beams. Let me show you guys this side right here. I haven't rinsed yet. This is where all that algae was, as you can tell. Without even rinsing yet, it's melting away. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my rinse with my J-rod. Sometimes I use the soap tip, which is 2550. Can't really tell. Yeah, 2550. If you guys can tell, I don't know if it's focused, but sometimes I use that. That's more of a soft wash. This one has just a little bit pressure on it, and that's the 25-20 tip right there. So those, if it's really dirty, I usually use the 25-20. If it's not too dirty, I use the 25-50. Alright guys, we are done. All the algae is going off the cage. Everything's looking pretty good. Deck wasn't that dirty anyway, so that was easy to do. But we're gonna go ahead and pack it up and head to the next job. Alright, so just a tip for you guys, man. I mean, this ain't even about pressure washing. It's about life, period, man. Always be honest. So I don't know if you guys saw in the video, one of the screens was hanging. The screens are old in that pool deck, which I didn't know, but the customers, they knew about it. But when I was soft washing, one of the panels came down, and of course I was freaking out, like, damn, man, and I gotta deal with this, whatever. I gotta either fix it or take it off the check, whatever, you know what I'm saying, to make it right. So when I got done with the job, the customer wasn't even home. So, you know, I texted him like, hey, I got done with the job, you know, tell him what everything I did. And then I told him, you know, one of the panels, you know, came loose. So, like, they hit me back and was like, man, you know what, don't even worry about it. You know, those panels are old, and, you know, just don't worry about it. You know, you did a great job. Everything looks good from the pictures I sent them. And, you know, they're looking to hire me again. Like I said, that was a returning customer. That's my third time servicing their house, third time cleaning their cage. And finally something like that happens. So always be up front, man. You never know what could have happened, you know. And there's no way I could have left there and not say anything about it. You just let them find out. So by me being honest about it and let them know before they found out, you know, it was cool with it. So always be honest. All right, man. We heading to Land O'Lakes right now to do another pool cage. All right, y'all. We got the third job for the day. Like I said, we're in Land O'Lakes, Florida. We're doing this pool cage and a pool deck for this customer here. The house is going up for sale, so I'm here to clean it. I do a lot of work for this realtor. She sells a lot of houses out here, so she always passes me jobs, and I appreciate it, man, big time. But we're going to be doing this fence here. This one's pretty dirty. Soft wash that with a 3%. Should be able to come off. Same thing with this cage here. And spin you guys around. The deck itself is not that bad, but we're gonna treat it with the same mix. So you can tell there's a lot of algae up there on the beams. We're gonna wet down all the plants, all the grass before we start. And then we're gonna start putting our mix down. We're gonna start from the outside and then working our way inside.